Hello students, exercise 1.4, question number 4. Show that the function f such that natural number to natural number, that is n to n, defined by f of x is equal to 2x minus 1 is 1 to 1 but not on to. We have to prove this function is 1 to 1 but not on to. Right? So first write the equation. What is the equation? F of x is equal to 2x minus 1. Let's draw the arrow diagram. So draw two circles. And what is the function here? Natural number to natural number, which means n to n. What is called natural number? From 1 to the number will goes on, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and it will goes on. The same way, two natural numbers. So here also natural number. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and it will goes on, right? So instead of set A to B, here we have natural number to natural number, which means set A belongs to natural number, set B belongs to natural number, right? Okay. So now function is f of x is 2x minus 1. So we have to find out which elements are connected, right? So for that we have to substitute all the values one by one. So these are all x values and these are all y values. Let's substitute the values one by one. What is the first value? 1. So when x is equal to 1, what is y? That is, what is f of x? Substitute 1 in the place of x in this equation. F of 1 is equal to 2 into 1 minus 1. What is 2 into 1? 2 minus 1. 2 minus 1 is 1. Therefore, when x is equal to 1, y is also 1. So connect 1 and 1. And what is the second number? 2. So let's substitute 2. When x is equal to 2, which means I have to substitute 2 in the place of x in this equation. Therefore, 2 into 2 minus 1. That is f of 2. 2 into 2 is 4 minus 1. What is 4 minus 1? 3. Therefore, when x is equal to 2, y is 3. Which means we have to connect 2 and 3. So for when x is equal to 2, y is 3. So connect 2 and 3. The same way, for x is equal to 3, y is 5. When x is equal to 4, y is 7. Well, the same way we can find out the values for all the numbers. So let's stop here itself. So now we have to connect. So 1 and 1, 2 and 3, 3 and 5, 4 and 7. So with this arrow diagram, we have to show this function is 1 to 1 but not on to. Let's check. It is very simple. What is called 1 to 1 function? All the elements in the codomain, all the elements in the domain, right? All the elements in the domain must have different image in set B. So if you look at the elements in domain, 1 have different image 1, 2 have different image 3, 3 have different image 5, 4 have different image 7. So what are the images? 1, 3, 5 and 7. Here the images are unique. Images are distinct, different, right? Therefore it is 1 to 1 function. All the elements in the domain have different image in set B. Therefore it is 1 to 1 function. So first one is proved. But not onto function. What do you mean by onto function? Onto function is nothing but all the elements in the codomain must have pre-image. So if you look at the codomain elements 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 1 have pre-image, that is 1. What about 2? 2 doesn't have any pre-image in set A. 3 have pre-image, that is 2. 5 have pre-image, 7 have pre-image. But 2, 4, 6 doesn't have any pre-image. Therefore, some of the elements in the codomain doesn't have any pre-image in set A. Therefore, it is not onto function. It is into function. Right? So, we proved this function is 1 to 1 but not onto function. Right? So, you have to write the statement. Since each elements in domain have distinct images in B, it is 1 to 1. And some of the elements in the codomain doesn't have any pre-image in set A, therefore it is not onto function. Therefore the function is 1 to 1 but not onto. That's all about this problem. Thank you.